guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a bit crazy because I did my brows and I applied the base. I thought I was recording before. Anyway, so I prepped my eyes for shadow. So welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simply Amazing. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, then why not? Go ahead and subscribe, and remember to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. And if you want to see this bomb makeup look that I came up with, just keep on watching. So guys, I dabbled in this palette yesterday, not yesterday, the last video, the last tutorial I uploaded. I used the Beauty Creations Alicia palette, and it's hard and it can't be achieved by a beginner, but it can. So maybe I just use a one color. Yeah, maybe I just use blue alone today. And guys, trust me, I have other brand palettes. I don't know right now. Focus. What's going on? We're not. I think first I'm going to go in with this blue over here. As you say, I'm going in back with the same dome brush I use blend up and see. Kind of big, but we're just packing on it. With this blue right beside it, and I'm going to diffuse a harsh line. Let us see. And I'm going in circular motion with a light pressure on the brush. Blended. I want to add some form of depth in my crease area. I don't want it to just look, you know, I want it to have a grade. I want it to have some form of gradient. So I'm going to go in with this palette. My palette needs to be clean, and I'm going to take this black right here, and I'm going to gently apply it in the crease area, and I'm going to use a more smaller fluffy brush, and I'm going to take my time, my utmost time, because I don't want the black to overpower the blue, and you know that black is a tricky color or a tricky shade to play with, so I'm going to really focus that on the end. Yeah. On the end and drag it in. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, the white one, not the highlighter, the white one, and I'm going to use that cut my crease. I'm using a concealer brush. It doesn't have any name. I have these brushes years. All I'm doing is flattening out the brush on the back of my hand, saturating it with product while flattening it out. Basically all I did, everything that was in my crease area, I just blend it out on the outer V of my eye. That's all I did. Now I'm going to go in with this color right here. And I'm using a flat brush to peg it on. I'm going to use about the Second Love glitter primer, and I'm going to use it applying my glitter. With pressed glitters, you don't have to use a glitter primer because it has some level of, I'm gonna say, adhesiveness, or it has some level of stick to it, so you don't necessarily have to use a glitter primer if you don't have one. But if you want it to lay flat and seamless even more, then you can go ahead and use the glitter primer or glitter glue. You want to put it all over the lid. The green and the blue specks, that's why I absolutely choose that one. her. Guys, it now go focus, but you just have an idea how the color stay. And this is a loose glitter, loose chunky glitter from Cherrybless Cosmetics JA. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you should know who she is, and you should know I use a lot of her chunky glitters and her pigments. So you see how that just give it a little tap notch, you just step up the look a bit more because they're getting different hues of blue now. I will just keep that on the end, we will just leave it right this side, right out this side. So guys, I'm going to go in with this one, and they don't have, oh, fresh, it's fresh, the shade is fresh. I'm going to put that right in my waterline. Okay, so guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys learned something from today's video. If you did, remember to give this video a big thumbs up, yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below and let me know what you think about this look, what other looks you'd like to see. On that note, I'll see you guys in the next video, so go and big up on yourself.